Let's create this super dreamy spring quartz marble nail. The key to this look is smooshing and layering. There's no right or wrong, and you do not have to be perfect. We're going to start by smooshing some Daydreamer and Cloud9 into an uncured layer of Utopia. You're just kind of smooshing all around the nail, making sure you leave a little bit of space so you can still see Utopia. And then with your brush, just blend out the harsh edges. You can even use a little bit of all steamed up to get it a little extra soft and milky. Give it a full cure and then go on top with a layer of Utopia again, curing that fully. Add some diagonal lines overlapping and sort of crisscrossing the pattern underneath. We're using Cloud9 for this because it's a softer white and it blends a lot easier. So then you're just going to take that same brush, butt it up against the edges, and just blend that out. Optional, but you can add some glitter for a little extra pizzazz, and then top it with a layer of Utopia once again. Then we're going to go in and add a couple extra fine veins. This time we're using a true bright white, and just blend those out from underneath the line. Usually like to leave an edge at the top just to give it some definition, and then just take some all steamed up again to soften the inner parts to make them extra dreamy. Finish with a layer of your favorite top coat, and then enjoy your beautiful dreamy spring quartz marble.